Quick update for you guys. I applied liquid metal on this laptop 6 months ago, and today I will check if it caused any problems with the heat sinks. But what I can tell you now is the temperatures on this laptop are just as great as the first day. I don't want to do a comparison video before and after because I moved to another country, so it's not fair to compare. But let's see how the heat sinks are doing. So as you can see, it's a little dusty in the fans, but it's no problem. I have my brush to clean it. But what we will see today is the heat sinks, not the cleaning part. So the first thing you want to do is to unplug the battery. This is the most important part. So for this, take your fingernails and pull it back from the sides, and you're done. Now we can unscrew all these screws to lift up the heatsink. You shouldn't forget to unplug these fan cables. To do that, you have to lift off both of the SSD plates. The moment of truth now. Let's see. It's looking good to me, just the color is a bit whiter, but there is no damage on the components whatsoever. There is no spillage as well. I traveled with airplane many times with this computer in my backpack, but nothing really happened. There is no spillage, no corrosion, only amalgamation. By the way guys, I didn't show you these, I guess. I put this thin layer of sponge around the GPU and Kapton tape around the CPU and the GPU. This is a really important thing to do. I really recommend you do this when you apply liquid metal in your computer. So that's it guys. The heatsink is good, the liquid metal is in the place, and the temperatures are all good. So I've been stressing the CPU for some minutes now, and seems like it stabilizes at around 78 to 80 degrees. You can see right here, it stabilizes at 78, 79 and 80. It comes back and forth because 80 is the triggering Celsius to speed up the fans. So when it goes up to 80, it goes back to 78 and the fans slow down. And it cycles like this. That means it's doing a great job regarding this powerful laptop.